Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where, for some reason, your Instagram stories just basically have no sound. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons, but typically, why this may happen is that your phone volume may just be down all the way. So, the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and swipe down from your top control center if you're, on an iPhone. If not, if you're on an Android, you can swipe up. You can also swipe down this way and then swipe down once more, and then you'll essentially get into pretty much the same panel. You just want to get into your sound panel. So right here, this is how you get it for me. And what you have to do is essentially see if this little option right here is moved up or moved down. So you can see it's about halfway through. So that's great. As long as your volume is up at somewhat of a level, then you're perfectly set. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up, your Instagram account, and you'll essentially get into this type of panel. Now, what you want to do is locate your stories up top. You can see I have a ton of different stories up here. Let's say I just want to get into, Genius's Instagram stories. So if I click on Genius, you pretty much see I'll get this little pop-up. But let's just say this was a video. And let's say I was not able to hear what was behind the specific song or whatever the story was. Well, all you would have to do is make sure that you click the volume up or volume down button on the story. So while you're on the story, you want to click the volume up button. You'll see that little pop-up come up there, and you will see that the volume will now end up working. And that's really all you have to do. You just have to make sure that the volume up or volume down button is pressed while you're in the Instagram app, and that's essentially how you fix that. Now, let's say that doesn't work and you kept trying that a couple different times. Well, I would probably recommend you to update your, Instagram app. So you want to make your way over to the Instagram, app within the App Store. So you can swipe down over here. You may be able to see it in top apps right now. If not, you can always search for it. So you can just search up Instagram like this. You can click on Instagram right here. And if this little open button says update, then you pretty much know what the issue is. You just have to click the update button, and that'll go ahead and update your Instagram account or the Instagram app. And then you want to try the same thing. Go into your Instagram story, click the volume up or volume down button, and that should end up playing the volume. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.